Is Ebooks Basic really a reliable option for students, or is there more to the story than what first meets the eye? With textbooks being one of the biggest expenses for students, a site like ebooksbasic.com, which claims to offer affordable, high-quality e-textbooks with instant delivery, naturally sounds attractive, but digging deeper helps to separate the marketing from the actual user experience. On one side, there are definitely some strong positive signals that make the platform look credible. The website has earned a Trustpilot rating of 4.6 stars, with many customers sharing positive feedback about smooth transactions, quick access to materials, and the overall value compared to traditional textbooks. Students often point out that secure payment methods like PayPal are accepted, which adds an extra layer of confidence when making a purchase. And the fact that many users report receiving their books instantly, or at the very latest within 12 hours for special titles, makes the delivery system seem efficient. Another benefit is the variety. Ebooks Basic offers a wide selection of titles across different academic subjects and levels, making it appealing not just to college students but also to learners in other fields who need affordable study materials. The domain has been active since December 2022, which shows that it's not a brand new website trying to pop up overnight, and the policy of permanent ownership rather than temporary rentals is also a big advantage, since it means you don't have to worry about losing access after a set period of time. However, while all of these things sound promising, it's also important to be realistic and cautious. The site is still relatively new compared to established platforms, and information about who actually runs the business is limited, which can raise concerns about long-term reliability. Online reviews can sometimes be influenced or overly positive, and just because some students had a good experience doesn't necessarily guarantee every purchase will go smoothly. For less expensive books, the risk may not feel as high, but for essential or more costly textbooks, any issues with delivery or access could create real problems if you're relying on them for classes. So overall, Ebooks Basic does show a number of encouraging signs that suggest it could be a helpful, budget-friendly resource for students, but it's not without its uncertainties. And it's always wise to approach carefully, weigh the pros and cons, and maybe test it with a smaller purchase first before fully depending on it for your academic needs.